Hi guys, welcome back to This Perfect Mess. My name is Shiro Jugona and I am back with another video. Of course, if you see me in the kitchen, just know I'm cooking something nice. It's not smelling yet, the aroma is not there yet, but I'm cooking the best potatoes you're ever going to eat, and I promise you guys, if you eat these ones, you're going to love potatoes. Personally, I'm not a fan of potatoes, but these ones, Ishiwaru, I like these potatoes, so I'm going to show you how I do it. And of course, you start with your potatoes and you peel them. I got these tiny ass potatoes from a supermarket nearby, but I can't use my peeler because I tried and I almost cut my finger off, so I'm going to use a knife. It's safer with your small potatoes. So peel your potatoes. That's what I did, and that's what I'm continuing to do. Also guys, if I make these recipes for you, just try out and post somewhere, either on Insta, and tag me, let me know that you tried it and other nice things.
All the time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again, just the two of us, and we could stay up all night.
So guys, I have my washed potatoes over here, and I'm going to slice them into thin slices like this. Just make sure they are thin so that they can cook quickly. And yeah, the cutting part is a slow one for me, at least. I know there is a tool that can help me do this. I'm yet to get it, so I'm just using my knife. So guys, here are my potatoes. I like to put them in that sieve looking thing so that they can drip all the water, and also I'll dab them with paper towels before I cook them so that I can have them totally dry. And I'll start prepping the rest of the stuff here. So I have my onion. Yeah, I'll use two medium-sized onions, and I'm just prepping them so that I can wash and then cut them up. With the additions, you can use just whatever you want to add. For me, I like using peppers, these colored peppers, the red one, yellow ones. Those ones are the ones that I like using. You can use whichever vegetable or whichever addition you want to add, but peppers are awesome. If you have a lot of onions in them, the better. You guys will see what I mean in a few. But
laying in your bed, fighting ghosts in my head, wish that I could let you go. Remember all we had, how could we get this bad? Where did we lose our glow? You live, you learn, when your heart is set to burn, fading away until the light will return. Someone bring me back to the time when our hearts unite. Bring me back to the time when our hearts unite.
there you go, have that. So I'll cut up my haw pepper if you want. Also these ones, because mostly they are for decorating the food, so I don't want them to cook in there and disappear. That's why I make them into long strips. So I like to cut them into long thin strips, still crying from the onions, so that they don't disappear when they cook. I still want to see them. Voila.
Where did we lose our glow? You live, you learn. When your heart is set to burn, fading away until my life will return. Someone bring me back to the time when our hearts unite.
So guys, I'm ready to show you the procedure. I have all my potatoes ready. I think they're dried. I don't have water. So I have my potatoes, I have my onions, I have my bell pepper, cooking stick, salt. I have this spice. It's an Italian spice, but it looks like oregano. You can use oregano. And I have paprika. This is the dish that you just use a little bit of spice. And I have my black pepper, and I have my oil. I'm using olive oil, but you can use vegetable oil. It's just like, yeah. So here you go. So guys, with these ones, you start with the oil, and you're not deep frying these potatoes, but also you're not frying them. So the oil is in between. It's not too much for deep frying, and it's not too little for normal frying. So this. I think that will be enough for my cooking. My ancestors are whispering stop, so I think that will be enough. Voila. These are falling over here. Hope I don't burn my plug. I'll let my pan heat. Guys, having this big pan, it's such a blessing. The first time I cooked these potatoes, I didn't have this pan, so they were flying everywhere. So if you can get a wider pan, the better. All heated up. Now I'm going to add my potatoes. There you go.
You give me life. You give me life. You give me
So guys, when your potato starts browning like this, you add your onions like so, and stir. Peppers. Ooh. Like that. I'm gonna go in with my seasoning. I have my salt here, salt to taste. Do that. Even masala. My Italian spice over here looks like this. You can use oregano or just anything that you wish to use. So let's see if we can tell it a herb. So it's okay. And I have my paprika. I like to be generous with the paprika because it changes the color of the potatoes. So I'm gonna go in with my paprika. Just sprinkle pepper so it's not hot. And look at that. Just changes color and it makes it yummy.
Back to me, say that you won't go. I can't cope without you, and I wanna hold you close. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go.
You guys see what I was talking about? When you don't cut your onions into small sizes, they won't get lost in the potatoes. You still can see everything, which I think for me it adds to the look of the food, but also, yeah, it makes it look good. So that's what you have. And then I have beef stock in this tin. So I have beef stock here, so I'm going to add all of it from the start. And if you have chicken stock, you can use it, but add it from the end, like so that you don't wash away your spices.
It's been 4 weeks since you called, and I've been waiting here for you all along. I've been waiting here.
You guys, look at those warus. Warus is potatoes in my mother tongue, but look at that. You eat these ones and you'll be dancing. Hey. Ooh. And of course, black pepper. Just a little bit or a lot. Black pepper is just the best. It goes well with everything, and you can just enjoy everything with black pepper. So I'm ready to serve these ones, but I'll show you how I serve them. Some people eat them for breakfast. You can do that. There's nothing wrong. But today I'm serving them for dinner, so I'll show you after I have done the stew. Stay tuned.
It's been so cold.
So guys, these are my potatoes, my final product, and I'm ready to serve them. I have my beef here. You serve them for breakfast, you can serve them as I did for dinner, and enjoy them with the farm. So, those are my warus. And serve those.
I hope it's not too late. I want you back here with me. We never should.
Look at this plate. Colorful, pretty, appetizing. But one more thing. I have my coriander here, so I'm going to down it. You know someone is excited about something when they start singing. Garnish. Hey! You know it's going to be a good day when I'm in the kitchen. Look at that, you guys. Look at that. Pure talent. Just pure talent. Okay, jokes aside. You guys, these potatoes are so yum. I tried them before, so but they're really yummy. And then served with beef. And guess what? You have to go to the gym because that's how you end up eating. So these potatoes are really yummy, you guys. I wish I could make you try. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're going to try it because you will not regret it, not even a moment. When you try it, make sure you post it somewhere. Instagram, nowadays YouTube, I hear they have a handle, so I'm assuming you can tag. I'm not sure about that, but post it on Instagram and tag me at Shirin Tukuna. I'll be more than happy to see what you made, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, share this video with someone. Make sure you cook these ones for Thanksgiving, Christmas, whatever the occasion it is. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.